Hi, in this video, I will show you how to export Claude data. So all you need to do, once you are logged in into your Claude account, just go to your profile at the bottom left. Once you do so, click on settings. You'll find yourself right here. From here on this left panel, make sure to go and click on privacy. Here, you'll find privacy settings, and here you'll find export data. So just go and click on export data. And here you will find whatever you want. So a downloadable link will be sent to your email and the link will expire in 24 hours. So the conversations, or what they want to export exactly. They want to export all conversations or just last 30 days conversations, maybe last 90 days, or maybe a custom dates from this date to this date. So it's totally up to you. Of course, the exports will include conversations, users, and projects. So once you click on export button, as you can see, the export started. You'll have to go to your email that you are using here in Claude. And as example, this one for me. And here, I'll have to try and wait a bit until I receive the email. Because if you have a lot of data, it will take some time. But if you have just few data, it will not take too much. And as they say here, the link will expire in 24 hours. So you'll have to do it quickly, or else you'll have to keep doing it again if the link expired. You can always do it, come back here, click on export data, and it will be exported as well. So as you can see, for me, I don't have a lot of data. My link is ready right now. I can just go and click on download data, as you can see. And here, I'll have it in a zip file. So I'll have all my projects, all my conversations, all my users, and everything. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.